Hi, so I have people asking me whether this coffee machine can dispense hot water because they drink tea. Okay, so now I'm gonna try. I already on the coffee machine, so I'm going to take out. Okay, this is a Nespresso adapter, so I just slot it in without the capsule. I'm gonna put the tea back. So yeah. Oh, this is too big a cup. Okay, let me remove it. Okay. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna do a big cup. Okay, so now it's dispensing the hot water. So I very pressed for a big cup. So this is gonna be 150 ml. So I'm gonna put my sugar. So this is with the Nespresso adapter. So I believe Doji Gusto and the coffee powder adapter will do the same. Okay, so this is 150 ml of hot water. Okay, if you would like to have more, then you can press another time, another big cup, which will make this 300 ml of hot tea. No more hot water. Okay, so there's no more hot water. I have forgotten to add. Okay, I have forgotten to add to fill up the tank.